Before we get into the nitty-gritty of shift solenoids, let's take a quick look at the heart of your automatic transmission, the planetary gear set. This is the core component that makes automatic transmissions so efficient and reliable. This ingenious system is what allows your car to seamlessly shift between gears without you having to do it manually. It's a marvel of modern engineering that ensures smooth transitions and optimal performance. Imagine a set of gears arranged in a circular pattern. This arrangement is not just for aesthetics, it's a highly functional design that maximizes efficiency and power distribution. At the center, you have the sun gear. This central gear is crucial as it drives the entire system, acting as the primary input for the gear set. Around the sun gear, you have several smaller gears called planet gears that rotate around it. These planet gears are mounted on a movable carrier, which allows them to orbit the sun gear. Finally, encasing the planet gears, you have the ring gear. The ring gear is the outermost gear, and it interacts with the planet gears to create different gear ratios. Now here's where things get interesting. By locking or releasing different combinations of these gears, the planetary gear set can change the gear ratio between your engine and the wheels. This flexibility is what makes the system so versatile. This is what allows your car to accelerate, cruise at different speeds, and even reverse. The planetary gear set adapts to various driving conditions, providing the necessary torque and speed. It's a beautiful symphony of mechanical engineering, and it's all thanks to this clever arrangement of gears. Each component works in harmony to deliver a smooth and efficient driving experience. Understanding how the planetary gear set works gives you a better appreciation for the complexity of your transmission and the crucial role that shift solenoids play in its operation. These solenoids control the flow of hydraulic fluid, enabling the gear set to function seamlessly. We've talked about the gears, but what actually makes them move? What is the force behind their seamless operation? That's where hydraulics come in. Hydraulics are the powerhouse that drives the movement within your transmission. Think of hydraulics as the lifeblood of your transmission. Without it, the gears would be nothing more than static pieces of metal. Just like your body needs blood to function, your transmission relies on transmission fluid to operate smoothly. This fluid circulates through the system, ensuring everything works in harmony. Transmission fluid is pumped throughout the transmission system, creating hydraulic pressure that controls the engagement and disengagement of different gears. This pressure is crucial for the precise timing of gear shifts. It's like a network of canals and gates, with the fluid acting as tiny boats that push and pull on the gears to make them shift. This intricate system ensures that your car can change gears smoothly and efficiently. This hydraulic pressure is what allows the clutches and bands within your transmission to engage and disengage the gears at the right time. Without this pressure, the gears would not be able to shift properly. It's a delicate dance of pressure and precision, and it's all made possible by the magic of hydraulics. The fluid must be at the right pressure and flow rate to ensure everything works perfectly. So next time you're driving, take a moment to appreciate the silent work of your transmission fluid. It's constantly working behind the scenes to make sure your drive is smooth and enjoyable. It's the unsung hero that keeps your car shifting gears smoothly and efficiently. Without it, your driving experience would be far less enjoyable and much more problematic. Remember the good old days when shifting gears involved a giant lever on the floor and a whole lot of muscle? Those were the days of mechanical transmissions, where gear changes were controlled manually through a system of linkages and levers. While these old-school transmissions were simple and robust, they weren't exactly known for their smooth or efficient operation. That's where modern electronic transmissions come in. Today's transmissions have gone high-tech, incorporating electronic control units, ECUs, sensors, and those all-important shift solenoids we've been talking about. This electronic brainpower allows for much more precise and efficient gear changes, resulting in smoother shifting, better fuel economy, and a more comfortable driving experience. It's like going from a horse-drawn carriage to a Tesla. The basic principles of gear ratios and hydraulics still apply, but the introduction of electronics has revolutionized how our transmissions operate. Alright, let's dive into the unsung heroes of your vehicle, the solenoids. These components work quietly behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly, but like any part, they can show signs of trouble. If you notice a rough, idle, erratic shifting, or even a check engine light, it might be time to give your solenoids some attention. Now, solenoids don't work alone. They are part of a sophisticated system that includes your vehicle's computer. Together, they ensure that fuel, air, and spark are delivered precisely when needed. When this harmony is disrupted, it can lead to performance issues or even engine damage, so maintaining this balance is crucial for your vehicle's health. So how do solenoids operate? Well, they use an electromagnetic coil to move a plunger, which controls the flow of fluid or air. This simple yet effective mechanism can face issues like electrical failures or mechanical wear. And where are they located? Typically, you'll find solenoids in the transmission, engine, and even the fuel system.